So I'm here today to change out these old, obsolete, dead locker pads and put in padlock ones. So I've taken them all off now. Now I'm going to install the new padlock versions. So I've put one in temporarily and it's working. That's locked. Unlocked. Just got to screw it in. But yeah, only 64 to go. There you go, all done. They're all locked at the moment. You just push it in, turn it, open, turn it, push it in, turn it, pull it out, add a padlock, all good to go. The male's room done now. Now on to the female's room to do the red ones. Same again, some are missing already because the batteries died. That's what's happened. The company's gone out of business and all the batteries have died in these digital ones. So I'm doing a replacement for padlock versions. Can someone tell me the better tool than this to tighten up the back of these cams? Because I'm doing that at the moment. Thank you. And now all the red lockers in the female changing rooms have been done. Only taken 2 hours, but we're all done now. Our room.